Hello all traders. Today is Friday, 20th of December 2024, and we're going to look at the trades we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 and CFD contracts. If we see low risk opportunities, as you see from the daily and 1 hour micro chart, the price started to go down during the Asian and London session, but it started to recover pre-market, and it's in a bullish move and is retesting the previous day close. So our plan of action for today is to wait for the volatility to calm down, and we wait for the price to clear this resistance level, and after that, or if we have a deep pullback and we have a well-established uptrend, we will take long positions in an uptrend channel. So stay tuned, and we're going to update you with any trades that we're going to take today. So we're back, and the price passed the previous level of resistance on a daily, which was the previous day low and close, and we have a well-established uptrend. So there was a pullback, and I entered several long positions on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500, and the positions on Dow Jones was closed by ATM, and I closed one position on Nasdaq and waiting for the other position on Nasdaq to reach the target, and just closed also the S&P 500 in the upper area of the channel. So we reached the daily target and we're done for the day. So let's look at the result of these trades that were copied by copy traders to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see performance on one of the accounts that shows it was positive with profit factor of 99, which is infinite, because we had 100% win rate and the profit factor cannot be calculated, but we can see that the average winning trades were 351 and the largest winning trade was $600. So that's the summary of the futures prop firm account on Apex Trader funding. And now we review the trades we have taken on the CFD prop firm account. And as you see, we traded mainly the same kind of positions. And you see the trades that were taken today on Dow Jones and equity at this moment. And I took several long positions later today on Nasdaq, so the account grew to $163 from $141 before, and profit factor improved also to 1.71. And as you see, the equity curve of yesterday at this moment and today, so we made around $20+, which corresponds to $1,200 on the 300k futures account. And as you see, the equity curve is growing consistently with a small drawdown, and we can see that most of the positions are long positions taken, and from the total of 141 positions we had 117 winning positions. That results in a win rate of 82%. And as you see, as the equity curve is growing, we try with the proper position size keep the drawdown below 1%, and we need to manage the drawdown to keep it below 5%, which is the maximum daily loss limit on this account. So we're approaching the holiday seasons, and next week, some of the day, the market is open half a day with less liquidity and more volatility. So we're gonna limit our risk and number of trades next week till after January. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on future contracts and prop firms and also CFD prop firms on a small accounts is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and happy holidays.